Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my ripe banana fritters. These are all my ingredients that I will be using today. I'm also using the very ripe bananas, very ripe bananas I'll be using. I'll be using some mixed essence. I'll be using some cinnamon extract. I'll be using some ground nutmeg, plain flour, water, salt if required, my cooking oil, and some people had sugar, but I don't add sugar when I'm using it because the bananas are really ripe and they're very sweet, so I won't be putting no sugar in mine. I'm gonna crush it out. Here's my ripe bananas all crushed. I'm using 4 ripe bananas. Bear in mind that you can also blend it as well, but I like the Jamaican way. I just crush it out myself. I'll now be adding my plain flour, and it all depends on the amount you want. Totally dependent on you. I'm gonna add some of my cinnamon extract. One cover. I use the cover of it to measure it. I'm also gonna use 1 cover of this as well. I'll be adding some nutmeg. A pinch of salt, and here's my water. I'll mix it gradually. I won't mix it in one go. I won't throw all the water in one go. I'll just do it bit by bit. I'm adding some more flour, and then I'll be mixing gradually. So now I've mixed it out, and this is the texture that I need. I don't need it too thick and I don't need it too thin. This is the texture that I need. So I'm just gonna preheat my pot now on medium heat with a bit of oil, and then I'll come back and show you guys. When I'm doing my banana fritters, I don't add anything to it. I don't add any onions, I don't add any spring onions, and I don't add any sweet pepper. I just like it plain, just with my bit of mixed essence, cinnamon and nutmeg, but you can add what you like. Also, if your flour is spoiled, whereas you had too much water, just add a bit more flour to get it back to where you want it. So I'm gonna start frying in a minute. So I've added my oil in my pot. The fire is on medium heat, but I'm gonna turn it down now to low, and I'm gonna add my mixture in. Here I am adding the mixture in. There it is, guys. I'm just gonna put 4 in at the moment. And I'm going to turn the fire down because I don't want it to soak on the outside and not soak on the inside. So I'm going to turn it down. I'll show you guys how it looks later.